Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video. Now what I'm showing you has nothing to do with the video that I'm gonna, with this video that I'm gonna be talking about. I just happen, I'm getting ready, I'm hooking things up, getting ready to do the 100% duty cycle live stream. So while I was thinking about it, I thought I'd pull out my camera and kind of do this quick video. Today's video is gonna be about interface boards and what's taking so long. I know some of you have signed up. Some of you are waiting for some boards to get back in stock. Some of you are waiting for the new ideas that to come to light, like the weather alert board and all that good stuff. And I know I keep having delays, and I apologize for that. Keep in mind, me building boards is not my day job. So with that said, also other things in life also come up, unfortunately. But now I'm trying to keep the costs reasonable. So now with this inflation going on and gas prices going up and et cetera, I'm going to probably have to redesign the board to try to help keep the costs reasonable. And there's also a minimum order I have to meet before I can even do the boards. So those are kind of what's going on. Now you're probably wondering, well, what do you mean you're going to redesign the board? Well, I'm going to give you an example. If you bought some of my boards before, you've noticed that it came with a wall adapter. Well, I'm going to try to eliminate that, and then you supply your own USB cable and you use your own wall block to supply power. I'm also want to add more features to these boards, like direct solar hookup. You don't need any converters. So I'm also redesigning it for that also besides. I'm going to try to have options when you check out. See, I don't know about you, but when I go buy something, I would rather have options. If I don't need the cabling, then let me select no cabling. And I'm going to try to do that with these board ideas that I got coming up here. What I mean by that is, let's say, like for an example, I do the weather alert board, and you want to make your own cable. Well, then you select no cable. If you don't want to make your own cable, I'll have a few options where you can select whatever cable you want, whether it's for the Retevis RT97S, whether it's for a handheld, whichever the case may be. You'll have those options. That's what my plan is. So I want to, and that will help with the price. So keep it reasonable for you guys, because if I don't have to sell you a cable because you have some at home, then why make you buy it? You know what I mean? So I've been thinking about that. And also too, like I said, there's a minimum order I got to have before I can even do any of this. So that's not helping either. Now, I know some of you are thinking, well, that's great and all, and you're happy about that, but here you've been building a duty cycle tester. So why are you doing that if we're waiting for these boards? Well, let me explain. And there's a lot of things going behind the scenes that you don't obviously see. Some of it is I'm waiting to hear back from parts, trying to get parts outsourced that are hopefully more reasonable. So that's going on in the background. And believe it or not, when I do these odd projects, I'm actually testing something besides this. I know what you're thinking. Well, what do you mean? Well, some of the functions that are in that duty cycle tester, I'm going to be using on some of these boards. So I'm testing those functions as I do the duty cycle testing. So, like my display on my duty cycle, I'm testing that. I'm testing my buttons. I'm testing other things as I do this. So when I get down to it, I won't have to spend so much time testing these components or this particular circuitry because I've already tested it. So keep that in mind when I do these side projects. I'm also doing some other testing that you just are not aware of. So I try to do that also. So that's kind of what's going on. I'm going to redesign stuff. I want to add more features to the boards. I want to try to add options when you go and get them. If you don't need cables, you're not forced to buy it with the cable. So I got to rethink everything now with all this inflation going up to try to keep things reasonable or as best as I can. So that's what's going on. If you have any questions or comments, post them down below. Shoot me an email. I'll post my website down below. Please subscribe. Thank you and have yourself a good day.